Here we are unboxing our brand new Bambu Lab X1 carbon printer. Jess is at the helm. She's reading the directions and unscrewing things and taking things out according to the directions. This has an automatic material feeder. We will be back to see further episodes of assembling the Bambu printer. All right, Jess is moving along. That's the automatic material something system. And the reason Jess is one of our prize students is she reads directions.